Good morning. We are off on our final morning's adventure. We are off to Animal Kingdom Lodge for breakfast. We're going to try to get into Sanaa and get some breakfast there, so hopefully it's not crazy busy. And I am excited for our last adventures before we go home. We made it to Animal Kingdom and we're going to transfer to Animal Kingdom Lodge, and we found a Kidani Village bus, so that's what we're gonna do and hope for the best.
This is not the quickest way to get there, so if you have a schedule to keep or just want to get there quickly, I would recommend getting a lift or taking your own car.
Well, we made it and it didn't take very long at all. We managed to find a bus almost right away, and he was really nice. He was coming right back, so we hopped on it. And now we're off to find breakfast. We're a little uncertain of what the breakfast situation is here, so we haven't done a ton of research, and we are just on an adventure. And I'm hungry. Oh, I like all the lamps.
We were a little confused when we walked in. We couldn't find Sanaa right away, but turns out it's just down the stairs. So if you want to go, just come in the main lobby and then head down the stairs, and then it's easy to find. We tell you later what we get to eat and we explain it a little bit, but I didn't have the menu in front of me at the time. So I'm going to tell you specifically now that Mom got the Shahi Tukra French toast, which is saffron scented sultan raisins, whipped chai cream, and almonds. And I got the methi paratha sandwich, which is scrambled eggs, potatoes masala, gouda, chermoula, and papaya achar. We have found the seat in a nice little cozy nook with a view of the Savannah, and I already saw a zebra, and I don't think you can. It's like somewhere back there, but oh, and there's some sort of crane or something, and there's like a buffalo and more zebras. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I don't know what kind of bird that is, but you'll see him in a second. There he is. See him right there. And beyond him are more zebras. Hard to tell what they are, I know. So you order breakfast at the bar here at Sanaa, and then you pick your table, and they give you a little animal with a number, and then they bring your food to your table. So you can see we got a giraffe, the people before us got a tiger. So yeah, very fun start to our day. We think the decor here is very cool too. The chairs are all different. Well, not all different, but some are different. And they're all interesting. And the carvings and the lamps. This is very fun. our breakfast has arrived. Mom got the French toast. It has sultana raisins or something on it with almonds, and what was the saffron syrup or something, and he said this is the best thing in the house, and it's his personal favorite when he delivered it to us, so that's exciting. I got the methi paratha sandwich. It has eggs, breakfast potatoes, and cheese, and some other stuff, and it's on this interesting wrap bread, so I'm very excited to try it. My breakfast is finished, and it was really good. I would definitely eat that again and again and again. It had like obviously African but like Indian type spices in it. Very good. Mom is still eating, so we're gonna say goodbye and check things out in Kidani Village. Here's a better view of the buffalo that we had breakfast with. You know, I'm saying these are buffalo, but I don't really have a clue. We enjoyed having a view of the animals while we ate breakfast. That was such a cool treat. And we can't go resort hopping without shopping. So we're going to check out Johari Treasures here in Kidani Village. Looks like they have some African treasures as well as the typical stuff. I really like these bow pots. They're adorable. Because this is a DVC resort, so they have more food and things that you can cook and keep in your kitchen. And they also have typical Disney snacks. And they've got the animal themed stuff as well. Very fun.
Which side you're looking for?
Some DVC stuff over here, and they have ears specifically for DVC members. Okay, that's about it for that shop. So that was it for the shop. Just come out onto the balcony in front of the Savannah. I'm just really enjoying this. Very fun. And there are some rocking chairs. So I'm going to sit for a couple seconds. Oh, yeah, they are rocking chairs, but they don't really rock a lot. This is very relaxing. I want to stay here. So I didn't relax very long because I noticed that they have these handy dandy informational placards and you can spin them and learn about the different animals. Oh, was that an antelope? No, that wasn't an antelope that we saw. Let's see if there's some more. This is a very cool balcony. Ah! And Kole cattle. That's what I was seeing and calling a buffalo. And Collie cattle. Let's see what else. East African crowned crane. I haven't seen one of those yet. Oh, funny, I said that, and there it is. Now let's see what the last one is. Wildebeest. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, yes, and Collie cattle are the things with the ginormous horns. And we just saw the East African crowned crane. And apparently there are wildebeest out here that I haven't seen yet. There are also some other birds that look like storks. And there doesn't seem to be an informational placard on those. What a lovely place. I wouldn't want to leave the hotel in the mornings. This is so relaxing and lovely.
Oh, thank you.
Well, we're leaving. Goodbye, All-Star Music. But I think we have a fun adventure on the way home. And here begins the next part of our adventure. We're going to Buc-ee's. It's crazy over there. I have never been to Buc-ee's, so this is a treat for me. But there are a lot of people. Let me show you. And there's a ton of people in the parking lot over there and all in the front. Wow, why is Buc-ee's so popular? Comment below, do you love it?
Well, we're here. We got gas, and it wasn't too long of a wait, and the price was fairly reasonable, as gas prices go these days. So we are going inside, getting some snacks, checking it out. In front of my shot. Get out of my shot. I'm excited. Gotta check out the restrooms. And how was your bathroom experience?
I will say they have better toilet paper than Disney.
Yes, that's true. And it was very clean. So overall, would you give this 2 thumbs up?
I would. 2 sinks, 2 soaps,
And mirrors.
3 towels, definitely give it 2
Yeah.
thumbs up.
That's now we're on the hunt for snacks. Oh, look at this.
I think I found the Buc-ee's Nuggies.
Oh yes, we're definitely here for Buc-ee's Nuggies. That's a priority. Mom's going to get some while I check out this yumminess over here. Oh, these are fudge. Wow. Nice. Oh, and cookies. Well, they may not be Mickey shaped, but they sure look good. Oh, yes, Mom got 2 bags. 2 bags! Way to go, Mom! Yes!
Right here, free samples, right?
Aisles are, it's the second aisle to the front, okay?
Well, that was a successful trip to Buc-ee's. We got 2 bags of the white cheddar nuggies, which are amazingly delicious. They had banana pudding. That's my snack for today. Also got dark chocolate peanut butter cup. Fun. And splurged. I know we totally need more sweet treats in our life since we have 2 treats from Norway Pavilion and Epcot sitting in our bag. So I decided to add to it and got a cherry and a strawberry kolache, which apparently is how it's pronounced. I asked the lady. So I think this one's cherry and I think this one's strawberry. So we will enjoy that later. Or maybe Mom wants to enjoy hers now. Mom, would you like a kolache?
No, I think I'm just going to snack as we drive home.
Maybe
if
on
we ever get out of this parking lot.
Buc-ee's Nuggies. We'll see. And then I also got soda. They had cane sugar. They had cane sugar soda, and also in the same brand they had black cherry. So I did the cane sugar soda a little bit and then some of the black cherry, so it's cherry soda, and it's very, very good. So thank you for joining us on this adventure. We are going to finish the trip to Jacksonville. We're in Daytona right now, and it won't take long to get home, and we're probably going to crash when we get home. But thank you for joining us for our fun adventure this week at Disney, and we hope you have a great day.